Why bother? Why would you even innovate? I think it's kind of simple. If you think about it, there's always somebody around the corner that will happily take your business away. And it might be a completely different business from yours. They might not know as much as you, they might not have the same resources as you, but it can hurt you really badly. Banks are big, banks are traditional, banks have a lot of processes, banks have a lot of legacy that's been around for a long, long time. The bank likes to keep things the way the bank has always kept them. So many banks have held on to this whole, we need to be a bank with a big building, we need to have a physical building with a teller, somebody needs to be there who's a bank advisor, who can tell you what to do, open up accounts for you. People don't need banks, people need banking. People need to put their money somewhere, that's all they need. Who cares about banks? Then a bank comes out called Monzo that said, screw that rule. We're going to come up with banking that is completely done on mobile. We're going to take away all the pain points that traditional banks have. You can do it on your mobile. You can do exactly the same things. Open up accounts, move money. That's what people want to do. You know, the competitors to banking is not another bank. The competitor to banking is a technology company. That's changing the game. And that's really scared them. The biggest taxi company in the world doesn't own any cars. Anybody with a car can become a driver. The biggest hotel group in the world does not own any hotels. I say that all the time. And why wouldn't I? I can stay at like a mediocre hotel if I go to San Francisco for $300 a night, or I can get an Airbnb for $100 a night. What do you think I'm going to go for? People will always want to see a product before they buy something. They don't want to go into a shop and feel the product. No, they don't, said Amazon. And companies like Amazon or Lazada or Taobao have been destroying retail. Absolutely destroying retail. So the case for innovation is pretty simple. There's always somebody around the corner who can completely destroy what you have.